This is the Merrill ANL-40 valve body for the C&L hydrants. And now this is a lead-free valve body. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of it. We'll start with an outer and inner diameter here at that hex side. So the outer diameter will measure just at about 1.5 inches, with an inside diameter of right at 1 inch. Okay, and then we'll go to this end and also get an outer and inner diameter. So outer diameter measuring right at about 1 3/4 inches, and an inside diameter measuring right at 1 1/4 inches. And then we can also measure just the total length of the valve body. And that'll measure right at about 3 3/4 inches long. Yeah, once again, this is the Merrill ANL-40 lead-free valve body.